Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your life and health. Guys, my today's video contain a very beautiful design ideas of baby dress designings, baby frocks, how you can design the dresses, frocks of your baby girls. Friends, all of these embroidery patterns are 1 to 2 hand embroidery patterns based. Simple and easy embroidery patterns like twisted knots, boolean stitches, boolean embroidery, and some simple and basic easy beginner embroidery stitches like lazy daisy stitch, fly stitch for making leaves have been used. Guys, the thread which you can use for making these could be, you can also use like anchor DMC for making it more 3D enhanced look. You can use wool for embroidering these patterns. You can also use silky threads. Even you can use sewing thread for making these patterns. You can also use the thread which is being used for machine embroidery. Exactly that thread could be used for making these very beautiful patterns with hand embroidery. These are the different terms and names attributed for the hand embroidery patterns, that is needlework, that is thread painting, or the art of hand with the help of threads. So these are the different terms attributed to hand embroidery. Different patterns, color combinations have been shown. By using these color combinations, by following these embroidery patterns, you can design the dresses of your baby girls, summer dresses. Like you can make these patterns onto plain fabrics, onto some light cool colors, white, off-white, beige, pink. Even you can also embroider these patterns onto light funky prints as well, by the art of stitching, like on smoked yokes. For sleeveless jacquard, self-printing fabric could also be used for making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. There are different terms, terminologies, concepts for making your dresses more creative and beautiful. The baby girls would look absolutely stunning and amazing by following these patterns. I have shared a wide variety of design ideas, that how you can design the dresses of your baby girls by sitting at your home, by just looking at the designs and following the color combinations as well. So this video is in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a beautiful design ideas of biblical dresses. So I hope that you like the ideas, you like the design patterns, and the ideas are entertaining and amazing for you. So do follow them and leave your comments below our video, so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in the new upcoming videos. Stay tuned for the more upcoming content. Until then, take care and stay blessed, and keep watching our content, keep loving us, keep supporting us like you always have been.